Welcome to our social media marketing training. As you all know, this is exactly where we stopped the last time. So we are still on how to create a page, okay? And so once you are here, the next to do is to go to your left hand side where you say create a page. Okay, you see it, create a page. If you go there, so the right page name required. So you have to write the name of your page, okay? So I just write this Ceiven accessory business. We're just using it for training. Ceiven accessories. Okay, let's just put anything there like mobile or laptop or whatever. Ceiven mobile stroke laptop. Okay, so it will look more unique, like a niche. Okay, accessory store. Okay, store. I think that is okay. Okay, so you can put whatever, but before you put a title or a name to your page, you have to consider two important things. One, what is this page all about? Okay, what is your page all about? Two, which niche can I put this? Which niche did I fall into? Once you get those two things clear in mind, then you can know the title you want to give your page. Okay, if you are confused, you go to ChatGPT or Gemini. Okay, ChatGPT is for AI, Gemini is for AI, but for Google AI. Okay, Google Brain Boss. You can use any of the two, and they will help you to get a very good category that this is. Okay, so to that you can write online internet marketing services. Let's check what they have on products. Production coordinator, music production, theatrical product. No. Okay, let's complete with product and see what they will say. We are trying to put the category of where this belongs. Okay, so let's try accessory. Don't know if they'll have accessory. Yeah, they have accessories. Okay, so you can put in accessories, fashion accessories, chatting, women clothes, and this is this men coat, and this is this. Okay, so just put accessories. Okay, then you write, let's see, they have it like mobile phone shop. Okay, mobile phones repair shop, web design. Okay, software company, this is this. So let's try mobile phone shop. Okay, mobile phone shop. Then you try laptop. So this is how you keep on searching to see if they have at least 3. Should be okay. You can have up to 3, you are good to go. Okay, computer shop, computer repair services, restaurant, just computer shop. Okay, so those 3 are okay, since you put there that you are dealing with phone accessories and laptop accessories. Okay, so now after that you write your bio. Okay, for this bio I will encourage you to go to either you go to Gemini or you go to ChatGPT or you go to Meta. Okay, Meta AI will also give you something great. Okay, so let me show you what Meta AI gave me for with respect to this, because I actually went to Meta. If you also want to know, I can go to Meta. I will link it here. I will teach you step by step on how you can actually prompt Meta to give you a very good bio for your page. Okay, let me just show you a little sample of what I asked Meta AI and its response. Okay, so if you check here, this is a little sample of what I discussed with Meta AI. So in case you missed my class on Meta AI, I will also send it to you so I can learn how to actually discuss with Meta AI, prompt him. Okay, and we give you a very good write-up. Let me know waste your time. I say I want to go into phone accessories and laptop accessories business. Right now I am creating a page for it on Facebook where I will be displaying these products, including household appliances like lights, articles, etc. Please Meta AI, let me kindly find me a description that will capture keywords that people who want this item are searching for on Facebook. you know, stuff like this. And look at his reply. You know, we're just as a sample, we're not doing anything like this, just a sample, okay? To treat you. You can put anything that you want, anything that is in your niche, okay? So look at what he told me. He said, here is a sample description to your Facebook page that incorporates relevant keywords. Now I say, welcome to your Facebook page, your one-stop shop to, you know. So at the end of the day, he gave me so many information, so many. Like, look at the information he gave me, like how I can get products that are high in demand, okay, high in demand product. I didn't ask for this, but added this to me as a bonus. And see any that I should come back to him or to her, because it's an AI, anytime I need help that is ready to give me high demand product, I can actually be posting on my page. Not like you're going to give you a product, but it's going to give you hints, okay? So you cannot kind of product to post, product people are looking for, and then you now go and source for it if you have it, or buy it and then post it, okay? So this is what I'm talking about. So I'll just copy this, I won't waste time. I'll just copy it and go to that our page. I told him to give me a very short bio, and of course he did it. This is the shortest bio he gave me. I just copy the bio first, so then when they get to introduction, I'll come back and copy the larger ones as description for it. So I copy the bio. Let's go back to the place. Let's go back to the place. Here is the place. This is another one, Gemini. You can also have Gemini, and Gemini also help you if you know how to use Gemini. If you know how to use Gemini, I also have a tutorial on that, okay? If you like, request for it, I will show you, okay? So I place this there. I cross check what I wrote, what she wrote for me. Your trusted source for phone and laptop accessories and household essential quality products at affordable prices. I can even say prices you won't like to miss. Affordable prices you won't like to miss. I don't know if I still have time, but you know they have a very short wording. So let me just put it this way. Later I will go over it again and see if I can a little bit add something, okay? So I think this is the next. So now click on create page. So now the page will now create. So let's give me a little time for the page to create. So later on, once we've created the page, we can now come over here and then see how we can change all of this, okay? Change the banner, change the profile piece, and then with subsequent class we now think of how we can go ahead and then edit other things, just like the way we did our work this thing, okay? So in our next class I'll show you how you can actually change this banner and bring in new banner and stuff like that. See you in that class, and thank you for hanging around with us today. Kindly follow us, comment, ask questions if you are confused. Thank you and bye.